Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the FOREX Week in Review for the 28 majors and minors and 2 exotics, both the Mexican peso and the South African rand. I only had 6 trades online, but came out overall profitable for the week. These are weekly trades that I use the Commitment to Traders report. This is a weekly report that is given out by the CFTC after the close on Friday. And what we'll see here is new numbers, so they don't necessarily match up with last week's numbers. Starting off with Swiss franc Japanese yen, we had negative candle, negative FTM, and we were crowded out long on this side. The percentages were a little different here on this side. And we got a $200 gain. We used 3 standard lots, so 3 times the number here for all of them. Euro New Zealand, we got red candle, red FTM. We crowded out long. We're still crowded out long for next week, so this will be a short trade for next week too as well. However, we are in a consolidation zone. We have to be careful of at least a 1-to-1 going into next week. It's 3 times $1,405. South African rand, we had 1, 2, and we were crowded out long. And this was a loss, so it's $205 times 3 for the loss on Euro South African rand. British pound, Japanese yen, also a 1, 2, and 3, crowded out long. Also formed a C-zone here in this particular area. We'll see if that continues to be the case or if we can break out of it. But this was also 3 times the loss of $458. Past 3 weeks were phenomenal, especially last week. For the British pound New Zealand dollar, we had a 1, 2, and this was crowded out long. Now it is mixed between commercial, and institutional, and retail, so it is no longer crowded out. For next week, it was this week for the short, and as you can see, it went ahead and closed out a lot of both institutional and retail traders to the long side. Squeezed them out. Overall gain is 3 times $1,107. Zealand US dollar, we have a 1, 2, and it was crowded out short. It's still crowded out short for next week, and it's still crowded out strong for next week, which is interesting. So 3 times $373, and we had 2 losses still with this overall probability. The exotic, the Euro South African rand, brings the overall profit down to $7,265 total. Looking at next week, so all we have for next week is 1 long, Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. We got a green candle, FTM, and crowded out short. Euro New Zealand have red candle, red FTM bigger than the previous FTM, crowded out long, and Euro Aussie dollar, red candle, red FTM, and crowded out long. So that's all I have for the FOREX Week in Review. We're currently conducting classes in FOREX futures and stocks. And if you're interested in programming in PineScript and Python and auto trading, click on the links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Sunday. Well, if you like this video, hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.